Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a profit update for my KuCoin Smart Rebalancer bot that I deployed about a month and a half ago, and I made some adjustments approximately 2 weeks ago because I was not seeing a whole lot of activity prior to that. Now I am seeing quite a bit of activity, and the profit has increased substantially. So with that being said, I do need to actually connect my phone to the computer to share the screen with you, since the Smart Rebalancer bot is not available in the KuCoin desktop version. Alright, now I have my phone connected to the computer and I can share my screen with you. So the first place I need to go is down here to where you see Trading Bot, so I just give that a tap. And then you can see a list of the trading bots that they actually offer, and the Smart Rebalancer bot is the bot I deployed about a month and a half ago, and you can see that I have currently 2 bots running down here at the bottom of the screen. So I can give that a tap. And you'll see my grid bot that I recently deployed, and then you'll see the Smart Rebalancer bot that I did deploy just over 45 days ago, and its next rebalance is scheduled for 2 days. And currently on a $400 investment, I am currently up over 40% or $163. And the majority of that came with my new settings, which I will share with you here in a moment. So if I actually tap on the Smart Rebalancer bot, you can see that over the last 24 hours, I am actually outperforming Bitcoin. The green line is my performance, and the yellow line is Bitcoin's performance. Over the last 7 days, I have also outperformed Bitcoin, where I have total profits over a 7-day period of $62 or 15%. So just over 2% profit per day on this particular bot. And again, you can see the green line is my performance versus the yellow line of Bitcoin performance. And keep in mind, just around 15 days ago, I did reconfigure this bot with new settings. And if we jump over to the 30-day performance, you can see Bitcoin has outperformed the bot over a 30-day period. However, the profit is 50% during that 30-day. But I did not have the new settings that I'm going to show you here in a moment. But before we jump over there, you can see that my current holding distribution is Bitcoin is 48% of my portfolio, ETH is 31%, ADA is 14%, and Theta is 5.8%. So if I jump over to completed, there we'll actually see the completed rebalancing, and the first one you see down here at the bottom of the screen is actually when I deployed the bot. It purchased the positions of BTC, ETH, ADA, and Theta, and then it had its first rebalance success where it sold some of my USDT and some of my Bitcoin, because Bitcoin had reached 3% more than my original allotted figure, and that was my original configuration. Anytime any of the coins were up 3%, it would rebalance and distribute those profits to the other coins. And so Bitcoin was up 52% versus the 49% threshold I started with, and so it took those profits and distributed them to ETH, ADA, and Theta in order to get them back up to their original thresholds. And then on the next rebalance attempt, it didn't actually rebalance at all, and that is pretty much a month into the deployment of this bot. You'll see this is on July 28th, and the bot was actually deployed in June 28th. So I really only had one successful rebalance in a month. However, at that 1 month time frame, I changed how the bot would actually rebalance. And you can see over the last 15 days, I've actually had several successful rebalance operations take place. And so I do attribute the current profit this bot is accumulating to those rebalances, in addition to the bullish movement of the prices of these particular crypto assets. And so over the last 15 days, the bot has successfully rebalanced my positions. And the bottom line is that's due to the change that I made. Originally, when I configured this bot, I had it set up to rebalance based on a ratio. And that ratio was 3%. Anytime a coin reached a 3% profit, it would rebalance to the other coins. However, after a month of pretty much no action, I changed that to every 3 days. So over the last 15 days, that is why I've had 5 successful rebalances. And that's because every 3 days, the bot is rebalancing and redistributing the profit. And so with that being said, the rebalance method of a time frame seems to be more profitable than the percentage. However, I don't know if I'd have chose 1%, if I would have had more success than say 3 days. I don't know if I shortened the time frame, if it would be more profitable. Those are things I'll probably play with and do updated future videos. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. But for now, the bot does seem to be winning the battle. So I'm going to let it run a couple more weeks, and then I'll do an update on how it's performing after 2 months of being live. And with that being said, that pretty much wraps up the video. Just wanted to do a quick update to show that the changes I made 2 weeks are so far producing profit. And so if you like the video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, drop those in the comment section down below. Don't forget to shoot the subscribe button so you don't miss out on these future update videos. And in closing, remember, never send your money in the battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.